Hello friends, it's Daryl, and we've got another promotional video for you today, a unboxing video. So I picked up this Ring video floodlight camera with all kinds of extra features on an early Prime Day deal from Amazon. And as an Amazon affiliate, I earn a commission on any links you click on in the description. But I'm going to recommend this here to you because it was a super great deal. This was $150, which is about almost just a little over half the price of what they usually sell for, and it came with a free Ring doorbell. And here's the Ring doorbell mounted up front. We had one mounted here before, but my son Doug took it with him when he moved to his new house, which is only fair because he's the one who bought it and set it up. And I didn't think I was going to get another doorbell, but I did kind of miss having the camera out here that could keep track of anything that's going between my house and this bush here. But you can actually see around at either side of it, cars coming and going and people walking by. So it's kind of nice. Came free with the new camera floodlight setup I bought, and I was happy to add this to our Ring collection. Here's the box. Here's our new camera. We cut the tape on it. Open it up. It's got a very nicely packaged setup here with a little handle to lift the whole thing right out of its outer box. This box opens up. Very, very nicely packaged. Look at that. This is very nice looking. Comes with a special double-sided screwdriver for setup and installation. And
there's a little hardware.
Mounting and connection hardware, and an instruction book that has a QR code in it to scan to help you with your setup. And there's always a QR code on the back of the Ring devices too that you can scan your setup as well if you don't have your manual.
Does it feel heavy?
This is kind of heavy on it is on the heavy side actually. This mounting bracket is easy to push off through the back side. The little pins are where you're going to mount the camera to when you get it set. There's a center hole in the bracket that you can either put directly into an anchor in the wall, or if you're mounting it in a box, which is recommended for code and electrical safety, you use a strap that goes across from one side of the box to the other, and then this screws into the center hole of that box strap. All right, there's the camera itself. It has the 3 wires in it that you need to hook up. And it's not much else to it part-wise. You mount the bracket onto a box, then you slide the camera over the bracket and secure it with a couple of thumb screws. And of course you have to wire the electricity up yourself too, or hire an electrician to do it if you're not totally comfortable and safe doing that. That's the best way to go. See this great little safety tether they have hooked up to it, so when you're hanging it down to repair wiring or check something on it, it's not going to fall on the floor. You can just let it hang while you're connecting the wires and doing your setup. Alright, we got the Halloween lights going out here on this side of the house, but we're going to walk on over on the south side of the house and show you how sensitive and how bright the lights are for the new light fixture. Now, just at the corner of the house. Oh, look at that. I just walked around the corner, just barely around the corner of the house, and they caught my movement. It illuminates the whole side yard. Look at that. All the way over to where I parked my truck, right out to the edge of the road. Pretty impressive. This is going to be a highly recommended Ring product right here. And you know, I do have other Ring products at home too. I have 3 of these stick-up cameras there, and a doorbell camera. My son also has the solar-powered gutter clamp camera, which is an amazing camera too, and I highly recommend that. We live in Michigan, so you know the sunshine's not always a common thing here, but in the 3 years he's had it, it has never went dead and required a manual recharge. The solar cells have kept it operating perfectly. Well, thanks for watching, and check out my description for recommended Ring security products.